All right, everyone. Today is Monday, August 3rd, 2020. We officially have 2 days left until the Michigan Restart Grant closes. I am Bivings, the District 4 Business Liaison with the Detroit Economic Growth Corporation, the DEGC. And this webinar is simply to provide you with the necessary information so that you can fill the grant out and submit it. Again, the grant closes Wednesday, August 5th, 11:59. So we have 2 more days. If you still need additional help, please reach out to one of our district business liaison. Each city council district has it. If you do not know your district business liaison, please go to our webpage at degc.org, click on our staff, and you can find your business liaison. You can also click on small business under district business liaison, and you will be able to identify your business liaison. If you still have issues, feel free to reach out to me at 313-510-5288, and I can help point you in the direction of your district business liaison. And if you're in District 4, then I will help you fill out your app. So let's get started. When you're going to do your app, I'm going to share my screen with you. All right, perfect. We are going to go to the Michigan Economic Development Corporation. And this is where you'll get the information to be able to start your app. I would suggest downloading these 2 documents and filling them out prior to starting the application. It helps when doing the application to do this, because when you upload it, you can go to your saved documents, upload them, and move forward. Before doing that, please read all the information and go by about doing it. And this is what I would suggest doing. You come to the main webpage, Michigan Economic Development Corporation, scroll down to frequently asked questions here. Click on application questions. Scroll down to the second page where it's under application business certification form. Click the link. Open the link. And it'll look like this, and you'll be able to fill it out. Business applicant legal name. This is the owner of the application. DBA or your trade name. This simply means that whatever your business is filed under, if it is an individual entity, it will be that. If you don't have another entity, it's that name. For example, District 4 LLC, you would put that under. Fill everything out as is asked. Make sure your signature, sign it, date it, the title. If you're the owner, if you're the store clerk, please put that. Make sure you come up file, save as. You can put it under application certificate forms, save it to desktop, save. You can minimize this or you can click out. I'm going to minimize it. You want to continue on from the second page after you filled out your certification form and saved it. You want to go down to the third page under W-9 forms. This is the second document that has to be uploaded to your application. Click on the link right here. Again, fill out the information as it asks. You want to have an opportunity to save as. I'm going to click W-9. I'm going to save it under documents. That's where I'm choosing. You can save it under desktops or wherever you know you'll be able to access it immediately, so that when it's time to upload it. It's available for you. We're going to go back to the Michigan Small Business. We're going to scroll back to the top, and we're going to apply now. This is going to take you to a second page, and at the top you'll see details and forms. Please click forms. It's going to take you on down, and you're now able to start the application. You'll hit start. Please make sure you read everything and have an understanding. You're going to put your email address. I'm putting my email address. You're going to fill out the information. Whatever information you like to put. I'm going to put all of my information, and it happens to be the information that you're able to contact me, my work information. You're going to create a special pass. You're going to put your phone number, create a password. I'm going to say and you're going to create your account. You want to make sure your passwords match. Let me go back and do that. And you're in. Save. Now remember, again, when during this application, you have to complete it in its entirety. You will not be able to start and come back at a later time to finish it. So please make sure you have all the necessary information that I just previously went over so that you're able to do it. You want to find or add your company name. That's your address. I'm going to just, for example, I'm going to click this one. This is not my company. Please don't do this. Put your company address in. Add the location. Add location. You want to put your address. I'm putting any address right now for the sake of example. We're just going to click on anything right now, just as an example. Okay. Request to join this company. You won't have this issue because it'll be your company. It's the first applicant, and you'll be able to move forward. And now we're starting the application. We're in there. The company membership has been requested and it's been accepted. Please read over the instructions and we can start the application. You want to make sure this right here, please enter applicant, business, nonprofit's legal name, whatever your legal business name is, you want to put this. The DBA or trade name, again, this is simply whatever your company is filed under. If it's that entity, if it's an additional entity, you want to put yes. And put the name of it. If no, put no. You want to put your tax identification number. This is also the same as your employer identification number. You can put the same number here. You can put the same number here. as well as here. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory, but again, if you have any issues or concerns, please reach out to one of your DBLs or myself and I'll point you in the right direction. To this information, phone number, your social security number, this is if you received any other grants during this COVID pandemic, please identify the entity. Just because you identify the entity, this does not prevent you from potentially receiving a grant from the Michigan Restart Grant, this grant program. It just allows the MEDC to know if you received a grant. It does not hurt against you. Again, and now we're back at additional questions. Fill them out as they apply to you. Here we go. And it's just a list of questions. You'll fill them out. What is the physical address? Where is your business located? The city, the county, the state, the zip code. Do you have multiple locations? Again, yes or no. You, the applicant, are the best person to be able to determine the yes or no to these questions. Are you a franchise? Yes or no? Then we're just going to scroll down and to the end where I've been receiving calls with people having a few difficulties. Here, this is the certification form that we filled out at the beginning and we already saved it. You want to go right to upload files. Application certification form. We already have it ready. Right there, already filled out. Open. It's going to upload. That's complete. The second document we need to upload, the W-9 form. We already filled that out as well and saved it. Let's go find it. Click Upload Files. Now remember, I saved this under Documents. I'm gonna go to Documents or wherever you saved yours. File. And where we are. Then we're gonna submit.